A piece of foil. It's a simple thing. A small thing. You'd think such a simple and small thing wouldn't have much impact, would you? You'd be wrong. This small, simple piece of foil achieves a great deal. It can reduce the weight of any bottle by 3 to 7% and closures by up to 50%. And this simple, small piece of foil can extend the shelf life of products by up to 12 weeks, meaning it can travel further, last longer, and taste fresher when it's opened. This small, meagre piece of foil makes products more secure from counterfeiting and tampering, and gives fewer rejects and returns. This small, insignificant piece of foil can also withstand mechanical pressure, atmospheric pressure change, high or low temperature variation, moisture or particle abuse, and vibration damage. And this small, simple piece of foil is also pretty easy to remove. This otherwise unremarkable piece of foil can be applied to liquid containers, hot, ambient or chilled, food products, water, milk, dried foods like coffee, herbs, powders, pharmaceutical containers, automotive oil, in fact, pretty much anything in a jar or bottle. How does it work? Well, here goes the science. Induction heat sealing, or cap sealing as it is widely known, is a very straightforward process. The foil is placed inside the cap and passed under an induction sealer after filling to create an hermetic seal. Heat is applied to an aluminium foil to melt the facing material on the foil to the neck of a container. Once the neck of the container is sealed hermetically, product cannot leak out and germs cannot get in. No moving parts, just one additional step along the production line process. This is where Enercon, the world leaders in induction cap sealing, come in. Enercon is the largest supplier and installer of induction heat sealing technology in the world. Our cap sealing equipment and technicians work worldwide to help transform production lines across all industries in every country. Enercon has installed cap sealing equipment into the major manufacturers in every continent. Still not convinced? Let's take a quick look at a real-world case study. The UK milk industry is supplying a phenomenal 3.6 billion plastic bottles of milk every year to the major supermarket outlets. However, 20 years ago, they were incurring 1.5% to 2% scrap, approximately 54 million litres of milk annually through cap leakage occurring during the production and transportation processes. As well as the milk wastage, there were 3,300 tonnes of plastic wastage, the equivalent of 103 milk tankers. What a difference foil makes. Since adopting foil sealing, scrap is now 0.5% or less per annum. Transport costs are down, a cost saving of 54 million litres of milk and 3,300 tonnes of plastic bottles every year. Over the past 15 years that the milk industry has adopted the cap sealing policy, it has resulted in reduced costs of 2.5%, increased profits by 1.5%, returns and scrap down by almost 2%. Profits up, waste down. To see how cap sealing can transform your business, talk to Enercon today. You could reduce your unit costs and your waste, and at the same time improve product shelf life, quality and freshness, with just a simple piece of foil.